I apologize, I got kicked off again, so I needed like 2 more minutes to explain the rest of this video, so you'll have to watch both of these videos to see the whole thing. So the last example that I was on was oxymoron number 6. So right here, tragic comedy, that's an oxymoron because if something is tragic, we think sad. If something is comedy, we think humorous. So it's an oxymoron to put those 2 words together. Okay, last one. This is pronounced synecdoche. Synecdoche. So you might want to try saying that a couple more times. Synecdoche. And this is when a part of something, either an object or a person, is meant to represent the whole of that object. So for example, Marilyn said, "Do you want to take these new wheels for a spin?" Wheels is just a part of a car, but when we say that, we know she's referring to the whole car. So it's a part that is meant to stand for or represent the entire object. Okay, pause your video and try these. You're going to put a check if it's a synecdoche, and you're going to put an X if it is not a synecdoche. Okay, number 1, Sir Ernest Shackleton sails left for Antarctica in 1914. Sails is a part of the boat, but we know it's referring to the whole boat, so that is a synecdoche. 2, Carter ordered 3 dogs at Coney Island. By saying dogs, we know he's referring to hot dog, which would include a bun, toppings, that sort of thing too. So we know that that is a part of the whole, so that would be a synecdoche. 3, the hired hands were paid $11 an hour. Hired hands, it's not just hands that were hired, it's referring to the whole employee, so that would be a synecdoche as well. Number 4, the glass of sweet tea was sweating in the hot summer sun. This is personification because a glass does not have the human capability of sweating. Number 5, I think I'm going to play the ivories today. So ivories is referring to the white keys on a piano, but obviously there's more to a piano than just white keys. There are also black keys and obviously all the inner workings of it, so that would be a synecdoche. And then number 6, Judith's answer was almost exactly right. Almost exactly is actually an oxymoron, so you can't have something exact and be almost. So that is an oxymoron, not a synecdoche. Okay, now you want to head on over to the Google Doc that I sent you, and you will want to fill that out. And I'm going to demonstrate for you what that looks like right now. So in Google Classroom, you should see an assignment. This is day 2 and 3, writing with figurative language. You're going to click that. You're going to open up the assignment. And then you are going to put your name there. The due date is Friday, so you have a couple days to finish this still. It's worth 10 points. And then there is the directions, as well as you're going to create your own type of each of those figurative languages. Please do not copy my examples. Please come up with your own. Okay. And then for day 3 are the other types that I just discussed with you. You will come up with your own for each of those as well. Okay, please feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer them for you. If you want more examples, let me know. I can give you more examples too. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.